Hello, my name is Iridas, and today I'm gonna show you how to get Gmail account. So, if we wanna do, just open the tab I'm using at the moment, Firefox, go to Gmail, press enter, and then scroll Gmail Google, first one, I found it on my one, and create an account. You can press here upstairs or you can scroll down in there. Okay, you press stamp and then you enter in your name. My name is Iridas, last name Kirstukas. Kirstukas and username. I just gonna pop my name at the moment, but we will see what's gonna happen. And then you have to enter password. You can see use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, symbols. And here on username you can use letters, numbers, on periods. Okay, so let's type the password. Okay, and confirm. Let's press next. Bam. And Firefox just offering me to save. I'm gonna say this time I'm gonna say don't save. And then we're saying that username is taken, try another one, and we're showing available Kirstuka Iridas 200, Kirstukas Iridas. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna take that one. Let's say I'm gonna pick this one. Kirstukas Iridas, this one, then gonna go next. I mean, if you're done happy with that, you can create new one and then keep trying until you get some available one. So press next. Again, Firefox don't save. Then we're asking me to enter my phone number, but that is optional, yeah. And then recovery address, optional as well. Well used to secure account secure, and that you have to enter your date of birth. Okay, so we're gonna enter my date of birth. I'm gonna pick December and I'm gonna pick year 1978 and gender gonna be male, or you can rather not say your customs. I'm male. Next, privacy terms. I agree to Google terms. Agree. You have to agree. You don't have an option. I mean, with that, if you don't agree, then you can't have an account. So create an account. Just confirm. This Google account is set up to include personalization features such as recommendation and personalized ads, which are based on information saved to your account. You can choose more options to change your personalization settings and the info saved to your account. Okay, I just press confirm at the moment. Just waiting for mail. So taking time a bit. Yeah, and that's it, all done. It's welcome. Email by Google. Simple, smart, secure. Press next. And then we're just offering to choose view, default, comfortable, or compact. Just pick which one you are preferring. But if you start, I just otherwise to leave on default. So okay, press OK. Account created. Choose the theme, set up progress, learn how to use Gmail, import contacts and emails, get Gmail for mobile and change profile image. That's it. So if you want to compose, just press Kirstukas Iridas Gmail. I'm gonna try to send to myself. Kirstukas Iridas at gmail.com. Let's say subject test. Hi. Well, and test message. Regards. Iridus. Okay, send. Bam. And you can see, I can see in myself, it's my email address is here. Hi, I will send a test message, and if you go to send folder, you can see all the messages, which one you send it, and in box which one, and straight away you can see that Google Communication Team Pro as well sent welcome message. Hi Iridus, and which is lot of training and all advice from Google. So that's it.